Every comment on your LinkedIn post is a potential lead. Someone who took the time to engage with your content is already warmed up. They know who you are. They've shown interest. But manually checking each profile, finding their email, and adding them to your CRM? That's hours of work you don't have. This workflow does it automatically. Paste a LinkedIn post URL, and it pulls every commenter, enriches their profile with email and company data, and adds them straight to HubSpot. Let me walk you through it. Here's the flow. You submit a LinkedIn post URL through a simple form. ConnectSafely.ai fetches all the comments from that post, names, profile URLs, what they said. Then it loops through each commenter and runs them through Apify to enrich the data. That means pulling their email address, job title, company location, the stuff you actually need for outreach. If an email exists, it creates or updates the contact in HubSpot with all that enriched data. If there's no email, it skips them and moves on. Fully automated. No manual lookups. Let's break down each step. Form trigger. This gives you a simple web form. Paste your LinkedIn post URL, hit submit, and the workflow starts. You can test it by clicking Test Workflow in n8n to get the form link. Fetch all comments. This uses the ConnectSafely node to pull every comment from that post. You get back the commenter's name, their profile URL, their LinkedIn identifier, and the actual comment text. Split comments array. The API returns all comments in one array. This node splits them into individual items, so we can process each person separately. Loop over items. Processes one commenter at a time. This keeps things clean and respects API rate limits. Apify enrichment. For each commenter, this runs an Apify actor that takes their LinkedIn profile URL and returns enriched data. Email, first name, last name, job title, company name, city, country, even street address if available. Check if eligible. Simple filter. If the enrichment returned an email address, the contact moves forward. If not, it gets skipped. No point adding contacts to your CRM without a way to reach them. Create or update in HubSpot. Finally, the contact gets added to HubSpot. The workflow maps all the enriched fields: email, name, job title, company location. If the contact already exists, it updates them instead of creating a duplicate. To run this workflow, you need 4 things. 1. ConnectSafely.ai credentials. This requires self-hosted n8n, since it's a community node. 2. Apify API credentials for the enrichment actor. 3. HubSpot app token for CRM access. 4. A LinkedIn post with comments to process. Connect all 3 services in n8n, activate the workflow, and you're ready. Next time you post on LinkedIn and get engagement, don't let those leads sit there. Run this workflow, and every commenter becomes a contact in your CRM, enriched and ready for follow-up. Template link is in the description. Let me know in the comments what other LinkedIn to CRM workflows you'd want to see. See you in the next one.